Hi, I am Leah Cohen. I'm the competitions director and ladies team captain at Maidenhead Lawn Tennis Club. We have around 700 total members. We compete all over Berkshire and some of our best players compete for the county, so we'll compete across the country as well. For me, when I was setting up the shop and the merchandise, I had a clear idea of what I wanted, and having people that do this for a living and have done this for multiple other shops, it was hugely beneficial to have their expertise to guide me. Fabryx was fantastic and just really understood my vision for the shop quite quickly. The big difference with Fabryx was they were very quick to respond, which was fantastic. It was very quick to set up, and they had a tennis specific range. A lot of sports stores have hockey ranges, and they'll usually just give tennis clubs their hockey range. Whereas, one conversation with Fabryx and they immediately just saw my vision. I had a logo designed for us last year. I sent over the logo and they said, there was tons they could work with there. There were a couple items I asked if we could add, which was very easy to do as well. And we used our fonts for it, which was great. That was something that I'd been struggling to find elsewhere. Once I was happy with how all the designs looked, they set up a Fabryx website that is for Maidenhead Lawn Tennis Club specifically. The ability to have the shop set up and have it be zero maintenance for the committee is a huge deal. We've been able to take home some money from the shop for absolutely zero work ourselves, which is great. In that respect, it's been really nice for us as the committee to just have a little bit of extra cash coming in without us having to do anything. It all looks and feels really nice, which I think is also a really big deal. And we have had other clubs comment on that, having seen us wear our merchandise. And actually that was some early feedback I got from the members when they started ordering it. Like, the hoodie's really quite thin, which makes it easy to play in, but feels really high quality. I think it really makes you feel like a part of the club. It makes you feel proud of the club, and especially for team matches, and we're all wearing our merchandise, it makes us feel quite professional and more like a team. The members on the whole have had a great experience with the merchandise website and Fabryx. I've had a number of members talk about how easy it was to order their clothing. And we have a few items that we just keep in the clubhouse for people to be able to try on for sizing. We have had a couple other clubs sort of comment on our merch, and I've then, been very quick to say the experience that we've had at Fabryx and how great it's been. So yeah, my experience with them has been fantastic. I would recommend them to any sports club, especially for tennis.